If you have Vivo T4 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock in this smartphone, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. There you will see the option of device unlocking. Click on this and then select fingerprint. Now firstly you have to set your screen lock, but if you have already done this then you can skip this part. Otherwise select pattern, pin or password. Here I am selecting pattern. Draw your pattern and then confirm your pattern. Now you have to set how you want to show your notification on your lock screen. Here I am selecting never show and then click on done. Click on start enrollment and then click on agree. Now place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this and then keep on tapping on the sensor so it can completely capture your fingerprint. After this click on done and now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your fingerprint like this.